Amid the fluctuations of the global oil and fat market, what truly constitutes core competitiveness? The answer is stability beyond cycles. QIE Group relies on a 130,000 square meters precision manufacturing base, develops end-to-end capabilities from digital modeling to precision manufacturing, from millisecond level laser cutting with pinpoint accuracy to seamless forming through automated welding, from efficient assembly through modular collaboration to high-quality delivery of full-scale EPC projects. We not only forge equipment, but also reshape every inch of steel with CNC and precision craftsmanship, reshaping the precision of every inch of steel. From daily processing of 100 tons to 5,000 tons, QIE Group provides full material coverage and a full-scale turnkey engineering services. Relying on rich engineering experience in over 100 countries worldwide, we cross mountains and seas just to ensure your factory achieves safe, efficient, and high-quality production. QIE Group uses customized, reliable solutions to create highly efficient collaboration for you and a stable, continuous grain and oil production system